Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Binance to bank account. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Binance application. Once you have logged into your Binance account, after that here you just need to tap on the trade button. First thing you need to do is to simply convert all your Bitcoin into USDT in order to transfer it into your bank account, because we can only transfer USDT in our bank account. So first of all, we are going to convert our Bitcoin into US dollars. So simply click on this bonk drop down, means from drop down, and in the search bar you have to simply search for BTC and click on the Bitcoin. After that, click on the two drop down, and here you just need to follow the same step, and in the search bar search for USDT and click on Tether US. Now once you select Bitcoin and USDT, after that enter the amount of BTC you want to convert it into your USDT, and once you enter, click on the preview, and after preview you will get your USDT into your assets. Now once you convert all your BTC into assets, simply back to the home screen, and now click on the assets tab at the bottom right corner and click on the transfer. If you have your assets in funding, so simply transfer it into spot. Select the currency USDT, and after selecting the currency, simply enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer from funding to spot, and after that click on confirm transfer. Once you're done with this step also, after that back to the home screen, and here click on the more, and in the recommended section you will find P2P, so simply tap on the P2P. No, I am new to P2P. We have to sell our USDT in order to get the fiat currency in our bank account. First of all, we need to select the currency at the top right corner. Now once you landed on this page, here you will need to simply tap on the P2P at the top. Now once you select P2P, here you just need to simply tap on the sell button, and once you tap on sell, at the top right corner you will find currency drop down, so simply tap on this currency drop down and select the currency according to your region. For example, I am selecting here PKR, and after selecting currency, click on sell, and here we need to find the verified version in order to get the fiat currency in our bank account. So for example, I am choosing here SR Team Warrior and click on this sell button. After that, we have to enter the amount of USDT we are selling to that merchant, and after that here you will see select a payment method, so simply tap on it. You will see add a bank transfer and all these bank, so click on add a bank transfer, and here you will need to enter your bank details. Once you enter all your bank details, your payment method is successfully added to the P2P section, and now you can make transactions. Once you added your bank account P2P section, after that simply enter the amount of USDT, connect your payment method, and after that at the bottom you will see place order, so simply tap on this place order button. After 10 to 20 minutes you will get the conversion of USDT to your fiat currency according to your selected currency, and you will successfully receive your assets into your bank account. And that's how you can transfer Bitcoin from Binance to bank account. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.